Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, today is a very special day that Miko, the very unofficial cruise dog, and I are here to ask for your guys' help with, because it is such a special day, because today is Tiffany's birthday. Now, I'm not going to say how old she is, because I don't need her chasing me around the yard with a stick later on for letting the world know her age. But it is still her birthday, and I want to do something a little bit special for her today. So I'm going to ask everybody to help me out with this. If you would, in the comments below, please wish Tiffany a very happy birthday. I want to see how many birthday wishes we can get for her today. I want to have to send her to the comments to love and heart every single one of them. I want it to take up her whole day if possible. So I ask you, please, if you have the time, if you're willing, if you're able, you want to participate with us today, let's give Tiffany a happy birthday and wish her a great day today. I would really, really appreciate it. I thank everybody in advance. Let's see how big we can make her smile today.